Hello everyone, Pedro here with GetResponse. In this video, I want to show you how you can use files and images and also how you can navigate there. To get started, we will click on Menu on the top left and then Files and Images. Once we are there, we will be taken to the main space. You can see the navigation here on the left. There is the main space, the recently added files, and then these are your folders that are inside the main space. To add a folder, you just click on this button, Add New Folder, and you will see that you will have to write a name. I will write Recipes PDF, as I will be adding some PDFs of my recipes there. And once you create, here the folder is, and we will go over it in a second. Let me just go over these tabs here. You can also navigate through the free GetResponse images. These images you can just use anywhere, and you can also search, let's say for example a donut image. You can search here, they will appear. You can use them in newsletters, websites. And moving on, let's check if you don't find the image you are looking for. Maybe you can purchase on the Shutterstock gallery. This option is only for paid customers and also if you are paying via credit card. Otherwise you will not see this option here. And if you see, just click preview and purchase. Next, you can also use a GIF in your newsletter, for example. Just make sure you don't use too many so that your newsletter doesn't get too heavy, as it can influence your deliverability. Let's go back to the main page here. Oh, still have donut. And now as you can see, we have our folders here. Let's move to our folder. And let's upload a file. Click here. You can upload from your computer and also import from a URL. I will be importing one from my computer. See here. And a donut recipe. There it is. I will just click to add. And as it is a PDF, you will not see an image here. This is used for you to share the URL with your customers. I will just show you in a second. Just something to consider here is that there is a storage limitation, which is till 2 gigabytes. And for a single file, it is 50 megabytes. You cannot have a single file over 50 megabytes. And now a use case is, as I said, to share the PDF with your customers in your newsletter. You can just go here on the 3 vertical dots, can rename, copy the URL or delete. We will copy the URL. And I'm already in the editor here, and I clicked on a button and I will paste the URL on these fields. Once it is done, I can go to test and preview here, and scroll down to my button. And here you can test. It will open this mock-up of a PDF that I have. And if your customers want to save, they can click Control P or Command P. I can just show you quickly. It will appear like this and they can click save. As you could see, files and images are a great way to keep your content organized and also for sharing a simple PDF with your customers. Now it's your turn to use files and images to its full extent. I hope you enjoyed this video and I wish you a great day.